students. Today we will discuss about the nitrogen containing compound. It is our next topic of organic chemistry. That is the last topic of organic chemistry. Under this heading we have three branches in your syllabus: nitro compounds, diazonium salt, and last one is the amines. These three parts included in your syllabus under the heading of nitrogen containing compound, otherwise amide group, cyano group, isocyano group, all are the nitrogen containing compound in organic chemistry. Let us start. Nitro containing compounds, that is beta, this nitro group attached to the alkyl group or benzene group. So you will say R may be alkyl, may be aryl. Clear? Question: how you prepare the nitro compounds? From which compound you will prepare the nitro compound? First one, from haloalkane. Beta, from haloalkane. You will study in case of haloalkane what will happen when haloalkane react with AgNO2 and KNO2. With KNO2 nitrite is formed, but with AgNO2 nitroalkane will be formed. When haloalkane treated with silver nitrite, beta, it will give nitroalkane plus silver halide. Clear? The same reaction with haloarenes. When haloarenes treated with AgNO2, it also gives nitrobenzene. This is the another method. Next method, from oxidation of amine. Beta, oxidation of amine, that is the primary amine. When primary amine is treated with oxidizing agent, either Bayes reagent or acidified KMnO4, acidified K2Cr2O7 or neutral KMnO4, any of them, it will give nascent oxygen as much as you required. Beta, we required 3. One for nitroalkane, and hydrogen also be oxidized as water. This reaction is more fruitful when we use tertiary carbon with primary amine. Just like this, we have tertiary carbon with primary amine. If this reaction takes place, beta, it will give good result, better result as compared to other kind of primary amine. This R may be alkyl, may be aryl. Nitrobenzene also prepared by this method. Beta, for the preparation of nitrobenzene, we have one important and one more method, that is nitration of benzene. You will say from hydrocarbon. When alkane is strongly heated with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid or fuming nitric acid, free radical mechanism take place and we will get nitroalkane. Clear? If you use benzene in place of alkane treated with concentrated nitric acid, beta we must add concentrated sulfuric acid. It will follow electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution method. Clear? And we will get nitrobenzene plus water. Beta alkane will follow free radical mechanism, and its benzene follow electrophilic substitution mechanism. This is the another method for the preparation of nitroalkane. Now, what are the properties of nitroalkane? Beta nitroalkane itself is characteristic smell, physical state, nitroalkane colorless, pungent smell, organic compound. Aromatic nitroalkane have pale yellow color. Clear? And aromatic hydrocarbon have bitter almond-like smell. Bitter almond-like smell. Boiling point of nitroalkane or nitrobenzene is due to dipole-dipole interaction. They have high melting and they have high boiling point. Beta solubility. They are sparingly soluble in water. Nitroalkanes are sparingly soluble in water, but nitrobenzene insoluble in water. Now chemical properties. Beta, what are the chemical properties? First of all, reduction. First of all, reduction. What will happen when? Beta, what will happen when nitro compounds are reduced? When we reduce nitro compounds with strong reducing agent, just like nitroalkane or nitrobenzene or nitroalkane, treated with strong reducing agent lithium aluminium hydride, what will happen? Beta, it will produce nascent hydrogen as much as you require, and we will get primary amine. We will get primary amine, and oxygen will remove in the form of water. That means we required 6 nascent hydrogen. As much as nascent hydrogen required, this reducing agent provide this. This is one method, conversion of nitroalkane to alkene. Another method that is also under the heading of reduction. When we change the catalyst, beta, we will use zinc in ammonium chloride in presence of water. Either nitroalkane or nitrobenzene gives same product. That is, nitro group is reduced as hydroxylamine. If we use alkyl group, beta, same product is formed. Hydroxylamine, N-alkyl hydroxylamine. Beta, N-alkyl hydroxylamine is obtained by this method. If we change the another reducing agent, that is reduction in alkaline medium. If reduction occur in alkaline medium, then what happens? Under the heading of reduction, in alkaline, beta, reduction in alkaline medium. Then what happens? When nitroalkane or nitrobenzene, anything is treated with, beta, suppose we have nitrobenzene. It is treated with glucose as catalyst in presence of NaOH Beta, it is clear to you, it is alkaline medium. That means it is basic medium, strong base is added. Then what happen? Beta, we will get N-oxoazobenzene. 2 moles of this one will be reduction take place and we will get nitrogen bond. This is known as azobenzene. And one of the nitrogen consists of oxygen combined with coordinate bond. Then it is known as N-oxoazobenzene. N-oxoazobenzene. Or you will say azoxybenzene. Both are the correct name. You will use any one of them. Beta, we have 2 moles of nitrobenzene. This one, we have 2 moles of nitrobenzene and treated with zinc NaOH. Then what happened? Beta, we will get hydrazine. Hydrazine is this one. And both the valencies of nitrogen is filled by benzene. And oxygen will remove in the form of water. It is known as hydrazine, phenylhydrazine. It is known as phenylhydrazine. Or you can say hydrazobenzene. That is also okay. Another one. Beta, if haloalkane is treated with palladium charcoal with hydrogen gas, we will get primary amine. Secondary and tertiary amine cannot be prepared by this method. The same reaction are may be alkyl, may be aryl. Maybe nitrobenzene, maybe nitroalkane, maybe nitrobenzene or nitroalkane. Beta, what will happen when nitrobenzene only nitrobenzene is treated with electric spark? That is known as electrolytic reduction. Then what happened? Beta, we will get aniline. This reaction is not done with haloalkane. This is done only and only with nitrobenzene. This is only and only done with nitrobenzene. Now our another topic, what will happen when nitrobenzene is hydrolyzed? That means our next property, second property. It is the first property, reduction. By changing the catalyst, nature of product will be changed. Now our another topic is, another property is hydrolysis. Our another property is hydrolysis. What will happen when nitro compound is hydrolyzed? Beta, when nitro compound is hydrolyzed, in presence of acid, first of all we will get N-hydroxyamide. Then on further hydrolysis, we will get carboxylic acid and hydroxylamine. We will get carboxylic acid and hydroxylamine. That means you will say if nitro compound have alpha hydrogen, it will oxidize to carboxylic acid. Clear? Third one, beta, action with nitrous acid. HNO2, or you can say HONO. Clear? What will happen? Beta, we have nitroalkane nitro group attached to the primary carbon, then what will happen when it is treated with nitro group? Beta, it will give oxime like this. R C double bond O N OH, and these two hydrogen is removed with oxygen. This is known as nitrolic acid. Better, this is known as nitrolic acid. It will always present in equilibrium condition as like R C N H double bond O NO2. Both are nitrolic acid. Better, you will study this compound in Victor-Meyer method to distinguish the primary, secondary and tertiary. If we have secondary carbon attached to the nitro group, then what happen? Beta, it will give nitro compound. This hydrogen is replaced with water. This hydrogen is replaced with water and we will get RCr NO2. And one valency is filled by N double bond O. It appears like nitrolic acid, but not actually. It is known as pseudo-nitrolic acid. And tertiary carbon do not have any hydrogen, so the reaction with nitric acid does not take place. Reaction with nitric acid does not take place. Better, now, what will happen when aromatic? What will happen when aromatic nitro compounds, nitrobenzene is treated with halogen, sulfuric acid or nitric acid? That means electrophilic substitution reaction. Next type reaction is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Beta ji, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place only in case of nitrobenzene. When nitrobenzene show halogenation, then what happens? It is clear. Nitro group is meta directing 4 electrophile and we will get meta halonitrobenzene. Halogen in presence of halogen carrier as catalyst. On sulfonation, reaction with sulfuric acid, we will get meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Now another nitration. When nitrobenzene is treated with nitrating mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, then what happens? We will get meta-dinitrobenzene. This is all about the nitro group. Nitrogen containing compound, either nitroalkane or nitrobenzene. Now another part 2, diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Beta, method of preparation. From the diazonium salt, we will prepare only and only by one reaction that is known as diazotization reaction. Diazotization reaction. Beta aniline is treated with nitrous acid. How nitrous acid is formed? Nitrous acid is formed by reaction of sodium nitrite with HCl. In presence of HCl, to give benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is known as diazonium salt and this is known as benzene diazonium chloride or benzene diazonium salt. This is only the method of preparation for diazonium salt. Now, what are the chemical properties of this diazonium salt? So, from this diazonium salt, we will prepare number of compounds. Beta, this is benzene diazonium salt. This may be represented like this. N2Cl negative, it is okay, or you will say C6H5 N2Cl negative, then it is also either of the way you can write, that's on you. Beta, from this benzene diazonium salt we will prepare chlorobenzene by Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. We will get chlorobenzene. Nitrogen gas is released. Same reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, is done with copper bromide in HBr. We will get bromobenzene. If same reaction CuCl with HCl, cyanobenzene is formed. With release of nitrogen gas, all the three reactions are known as Sandmeyer reaction. The same reaction will be performed with copper powder in HCl, copper powder in HBr, or copper powder in HCl. We will get chlorobenzene, we will get bromobenzene, or copper powder in HCl, we will get cyanobenzene. All the three reactions are under the heading of Gattermann reaction. You will study this in haloalkane, haloalene. Beta, from this one we will prepare iodobenzene only by the method that it is treated with Ki and WOM. Then we will get fluorobenzene. How fluorobenzene is formed? First of all, it is treated with HbF4. We will get fluorosulfur diazonium salt. Only halogen exchange take place. Halogen is replaced by H, and then heat with acid. It will give fluorobenzene and release BF3 and nitrogen gas. This is known as Bal-Schimann reaction. This is known as Bal-Schimann reaction. When this is treated with water, simply water, it will give phenol with release of N2 plus HCl. This phenol is treated with zinc dust. We will get benzene. Zinc oxide is removed. On oxidation, with oxidizing agent, it will give nitrobenzene. On reduction, it will give phenylhydrazine. On reduction, it will give phenylhydrazine. These all the reactions you will already study in your previous chapter, haloalkane, haloarine, phenol, alcohol, phenol ether, aldehyde ketone. In all the cases you will study the reactions of benzene diazonium salt, and all the reactions will be repeated only in this topic.